The Samsung Galaxy Watch4 LTE is a feature-rich smartwatch that comes with a sleek 4.0cm black display and is compatible with Android devices. Here's an unboxing and full review. Unboxing packaging. The watch comes in a sleek, minimalist box with the Samsung logo and an image of the watch on the front. Contents: Samsung Galaxy Watch4 LTE, magnetic wireless charger, quick start guide, warranty card, and an additional strap depending on the retailer. Design, build quality. The watch has a premium feel with an aluminum frame. Display: 4.0cm Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 450 by 450 pixels, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Straps: interchangeable straps with a standard 20mm width, allowing for customization. Features: operating system runs on Wear OS, co-developed with Google, providing access to a wide range of apps through the Google Play Store. Health tracking. The Samsung Galaxy Watch4 LTE offers comprehensive health tracking features. It includes heart rate monitoring, SpO2 or blood oxygen monitoring, ECG or electrocardiogram support, body composition analysis, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. Fitness tracking. This smartwatch supports various workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and more. It even has auto detection for common exercises, making it super convenient for fitness enthusiasts. Connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy Watch4 LTE comes with LTE support for standalone calls and messaging. It also features Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi and GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo for accurate location tracking. Battery life up to 40 hours on a single charge, varying with usage. Additional features: NFC for Samsung Pay, water resistance up to 5 ATM, built-in speaker and microphone for calls and voice commands, customizable watch faces. Performance processor: Exynos W920 dual-core processor, providing smooth performance. RAM and storage: 1.5 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, sufficient for apps and music storage. User interface: intuitive and smooth, with easy navigation through the rotating bezel or touch controls. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy Watch4 LTE offers a comprehensive set of features for health, fitness, and connectivity, making it a strong contender in the smartwatch market for Android users. The LTE capability adds the convenience of staying connected even without your phone. The design is both stylish and functional, making it suitable for various occasions. This watch is an excellent choice for those looking to integrate more health and fitness tracking into their daily lives while staying connected on the go.